Hello friends, today in this video I am introducing you the beautiful user-friendly billing software. Lot of my friends, lot of my customers, they brought many accounting and other softwares, but it is unable to use. And to be frank speaking, the software whoever is using in your shop, for example, I am an employee, my father and mother is running one business. For example, I need to dedicate one software for those my father and mother. They cannot use all this highly advanced, highly complicated accounting software. They need a very simple billing software. They can easily handle without any doubt or without any issues. So such kind of a software I am introducing you. This one, to be frank speaking, any of your employee or even aged people or even the people they are not unable to handle the system or such kind of applications, they can easily handle this software very simple way. So let me introduce you this software. In this software left side you will see or you will find all the products portion, you will find it over here, and in the right side all these images, everything is there. If you are doing with a touch screen monitor, you can just click it on it, automatically it will appear over here. Otherwise, you can use your mouse like that. See, the products, it will come over here. So this is the way you can, and here, how you are doing the billing, very simple way. You can click here and click on cash. Yes. So that much simplicity is there in the software. If you see the bill as well, it is extreme sharp quality bill, you can find it over here. Extreme sharpness. So this software is offline project actually, and built in VB.NET SQL database. It does not require any kind of any internet, nothing. You can install the software in your PC itself and you can use it. That much simplicity is there in this software. And for installation and other purposes, of course, RAINTECH Software Limited customer care is there to help you. If you want to do sales with some barcodes and all, for example, these products, they have barcodes, just scan it like that. So automatically it will display over here. I just put some products and for the demo purposes, it will display over here. You can click on F2 button in the keyboard itself. See in the keyboard. In the keyboard itself, click on F2, so this screen will appear, and click on F1 button here, F1, and it will come over here. So you just click on enter button here, this enter button, click on enter button, so the bill will print it out over here. So even if you don't want to use the mouse, you can use with your keyboard itself. If you have touch screen monitor, of course you can use this one with the touch screen monitor as well. So there is some other control systems are there in this bottom portion, and to make your billing everything easy for holding and unholding and all. But for basic billing system, this much is enough. And here you see this is the main menu. You will find it over here, main menu. For example, I click on beverages. Click on beverages. You will see all the beverages items like cool drinks and other things you can call as beverages. If you click on body care, of course you will find all the body care items over there with image. If you click on cosmetics, you will see all the cosmetics items over there. If you click on ice creams and all, you will see all the ice cream, such kind of products over here. Click on electronics, you will see frozen items. See all the frozen items, it will come over here. If you want to do billing frozen items, click on that like that. If you want to change quantity, select any product, you can change the quantity as well. For example, 5 kg, or if you want to reduce, see automatically 5 kg it will come over here. Click on F1 and yes, the bill will come over here. So that's it. So if I go to fruits, you will find the fruits items. You can add a lot of products over here. Home appliances, you will see all the home appliances over here. If I click on grocery, you will find all the grocery items over here. See? So if you want to do billing from here itself, the grocery, you can click like that. So very fastly it will come over here. Just click on F2 button here and F1 and enter. That's it. So your bill will come over there. So to be frank speaking, any person, he don't know about computer, he don't know about this kind of application, he first time using, or he's the person, he is not familiar with any kind of these systems, of course they can use it in 2 minutes. I can guarantee you within 2 minutes they can learn it. And this software, this is the front end panel you are seeing. Some people, they have a problem in their eyes if a lot of lights are coming. In this situation, there is an option called dark theme. Here you can see dark theme. Click on the dark theme, so everything will be dark. See the background. So that means light will not reflect it to your eyes. So it's more comfortable. So this is again light, the bright theme. So this is the front end panel you are looking over here. This is the sales panel basically. There is an admin control panel. Let me show you that one also. Log out. Again, my password I created 1234. I click here on before we was here. Now we will go to back office. See this the interface in the back office. You will find it. There is a lot of information like your company information, your printer connectivity, your accounts, reports, everything, even your privilege card system, your quotation, your product ad, inventory management, everything you will find in the back office. You can add one by one product also here in the product master. There is a bulk upload facility, of course, is there, and you can add your product very simple way in this software with image. Here you can upload your image as well. So this all features are there, even your privilege card system, your credit debit management, purchase entry, all the features are there in this software. And again I am saying, if someone is not familiar with these systems, of course RAINTECH customer care team is there. They will install the software in your PC if you are in other countries. For example, you are in US or UK or Dubai or United Arab Emirates, such kind of Gulf countries, anywhere. If you are there, we are basically from Kerala, India. We can connect you through AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Our customer care is there. They will connect you through AnyDesk or TeamViewer. They will install the software, install the server. They will help you to connect the printer as well. Of course, your hardwares like your barcode printer and your bill printer. Of course, they can help you. Even your barcode scanner, whatever it is, and they will help you which product you need to purchase for this for running these applications. For all these inquiries, you can WhatsApp me to this number 00918078311945. I will put this number in the description as well. You can chat us, you can WhatsApp us so that we can connect you, we can install the software in your PC. And our team, they will help you to upload the products in the bulk. One by one also you can upload your products, or bulk way also you can upload your products. Like Excel sheet bulk upload facility is there in this software. You can see over here, a product master, here there is the Excel sheet bulk upload facility is there. You can upload your products in the bulk way. And a lot of products you can upload in the bulk upload. Here you can log out again. You can go to your sales panel very fastly. So that much simplicity is there. Another features I am telling you, if you have multiple PCs, sharing PCs, you just need to do networking with this networking cable with the router and all, and our people, they will connect all this system through this sharing system. There is a facility called SQL sharing. We can connect it. The one PC will be the server and the other one is all network sharing PCs. So this facility is there also in the software. There is a multiple user registration systems is there. Each salesman, they can log in and they can use it. So such kind of facility also is there in that software. So it will be very easy to handle and control. And of course, I want to tell you one more thing. The printout which you seen right now, this is strange format. We can edit that format also if you have any specific format in your country, or if you like some specific format. Our technicians are there. They will redesign the formats as per your needs. And of course, I want to tell you, in this software there is 4 types of printouts is there. One is this kind of 3-inch printout. Another one is you can print in the A4 printer, the big size, laser or ink tank, inkjet, whatever it is. And A5 size, of course, you can make it. For example, home appliances and all, you need to make some bill, some maybe in A4 or A5 because there is a warranty, guarantee and all in that case. So, in the supermarket, counter-to-counter sales, B2B sales, B2C sales, you can manage with normally a 3-inch system. So, it is very cheap basically. That's the reason people are suggesting and the people are choosing this 3-inch thermal printer because it's paper, everything is very cheap, and this kind of printer does not require any kind of ink, cartridge, any ribbon, nothing. It's a direct thermal printer so that we can use it. And the scanner, of course, this kind of scanner is good, but it is expensive. You can buy the normal, handheld scanner also. So in the with hand you scan it like that. And the PC, you can buy normal PC, i3 or i5 processor PC with the Windows 10 or Windows 11. It will work. And put SSD better, not normal hard disk, better SSD. Kingston or such kind of brand is good in SSD. So this is the system. If you have the system or you have computer or if you have the touchscreen interface, of course there is no issues. We can install it. If you can call us or you can WhatsApp us, our team is ready to help you, ready to install the software in your PC for the demo, and you can use it. You can feel the simplicity in the POS devices. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.